Imagine as a president, you go take a for number 2 in the parliament, and then after you won't clean some your reaction there.
Important, so embarrassing. Mr. Speaker, if you go to the washroom, there are no toilet rolls. Since yesterday, there are no toilet rolls in the washroom. So I just want to draw the attention of this.
Is that part of the business for next week?
Yes, Mr. Speaker. We're talking about the business of this house. We're talking about the business of any official. It's very important.
You should deal with your leaders because.
Mr. Speaker, my second, this is very important because when you have visitors and they go to the toilet, they washroom and there are no toilet rolls, so embarrassing to Parliament. Mr. Speaker, my other issue is that this is the second time I'm raising this issue.
There is toilet roll missing. Can you imagine as a president?
You see, Ghana, Nigeria. There is no difference. No difference between these two countries.
There is no difference in the
politicians in those two countries, I don't know what is their problem. So, toilet paper is now the latest problem. Now, before you know what is going on, they will start demanding for money to buy toilet papers. That's how the other day Nigerian...
it's a trick.
Of course. This is scam. That's how the other day Nigeria did. I don't want to mention the person. They know themselves. They came out and said that the spoon that they bought last year, the plates that they bought last year, the chairs they were using last year, that they want to change it. Yeah. Do you know how many $1 million they said? What are you saying? I'm talking about millions of dollars just to change plates. How many times do you change the plates in your house? The spoons that you are using to eat in your house, how many times do you change them in years? Talk less of the chair. Did the chair break? Talking about the chair that broke. You know, sometimes they used to use chair to sew each other. That one I understand. The chair will break because they are always fighting there. But toilet papers. Anyway, I understand them. Like you said, just imagine the president is going to the toilet.
I know what
after pooping. There is nothing to.
You will sell the whole country to the bank.
Please, my brother, if you have anything to tell them, tell them. Because for me, this is scam.
Well, they say that when God promised to pay you back, He pays you back at the unexpected time. And I feel like that woman, she ate some beans some hours before. And God paid her a visit at the unexpected time.
Yes.
And,
now understand.
When she entered the bathroom,
yes,
she noticed something was missing. Something important. As I said, God pays you back at unexpected times.
That was unexpected.
Very unexpected. And you know, my friend, I am not happy that she encountered that. But I hope she learns that this is just the beginning.